everybody, I'm Wayne, and I'd like to tell you about a new course I'm running. This course is titled Guide to the Steem Ecosystem. Some of you may have heard of the social media website Steem.com. Well, Steem.com sits on what we call the Steem blockchain. But Steem.com is not the only website, or should I say application, that sits on the Steem blockchain. There are many, many other applications on there as well. And these applications vary from video sharing platforms to photo sharing platforms to writing reviews about restaurants or hotels. There's even a fitness application that sits on the Steem blockchain. Hence, all these applications put together is what we call the Steem ecosystem. And this course is going to take you on a journey of many of these applications. Not only that, it's going to tell you how you can get paid for using them. And that's not just simply sharing your content, it's also viewing other people's content. And the course is going to be able to explain all of that. And what's also great about this course, it's going to be updated on a regular basis because the Steem ecosystem is constantly growing and expanding. And this course will be updated frequently to keep you in touch with that. If you like what you hear, I suggest you sign up.